Imagine we have created a model. Now we need to evaluate, right, whether the model is good or bad. So to do that, there are four common regression metrics: mean square error, root mean square error, mean absolute error, and R square. Let's make it simple. Metrics find out the error or the difference. As we know, simple linear regression uses straight line equation to create a model, right? Using this equation, both the slope and the intercept is got. Let's apply it in the straight line equation. Let's consider this example, height and weight. Here height is the input and weight is the output y, which is the actual output. Now estimated y are the predicted output. For each value of x into slope plus or the minus of intercept, you will find the new estimated output. Now the difference between your actual and the estimated output is the error or the matrix. Let's understand MAE by an example. We know that error value is the difference between the actual output and the predicted output. When we take the average of the absolute length, we'll find the MAE, which is given by the formula. Let's make it simple. MSE is nothing but we are just squaring the difference or the error values. In MAE, we not be squaring, but in MSE, we'll be squaring the error values. And we are finding the mean for all the samples. When you take the root of the errors, it is RMSE. Isn't it very simple? Considering intercept as 0, 18 as the slope, we are calculating the difference between the actual output and the estimated output. MAE and RMSE is calculated. So for what we understood, we found the error by subtracting the actual and the estimated output. Right? Now, we are just finding all the errors and taking the mean is nothing but your MAE. And if you square it, it is your MSE. And if you take the root, it is RMSE. Right? Now, if all these values are very less, then it's a very good model. Now let's understand R square. The formula is 1 minus SS regression by SS total. Understand SS regression. The difference between the original data points and the regression line and you're squaring it. That is your SS regression. Now let's understand SS total. The distance between the blue dots and the mean value, the red line, is the error and square that value for squared error. And the formula is given here. If the R square value is near to 1, it is a very best model. So what we understood? For the best model, MAE, MSE and RMSE should be very less values. But the R square value should be nearing to 1 for a best model. Yes, we learnt.